Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can join the Style Showdown on Dress to Impress. So select either this one or this button. If you have a friend that's in the game already, just select join friends and you can join them there. But if not, you're just going to select Style Showdown and press yes. This is what the lobby looks like. You're just going to go in here to play. And that is it for this video. That's how you can join Style Showdown on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. That's how you can join Style Showdown on Dress to Impress. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!